Bbnaija lockdown. Kaisha and Lucy nearly engaged in fist fight after this was found in the bathroom. The once peaceful Big Brother house was nearly turned into an Olympus stadium after Kaisha and Lucy engaged in a heated argument over period blood and used tampon was found in the bathroom. The two female housemates have been at each other's and would have ended up in a fight had it not been for the intervention of other housemates. Earlier on, they had a nasty altercation in their room, which they later found themselves arguing about a tampon and period blood, which Lucy found in the bathroom. Lucy got into her element and lambasted whoever did that. Kaisha felt she was wrong with her approach, which also turned in another fight by following her with quarrels into the bathroom. Outbursts and tantrums were thrown in the Big Brother Naija house yesterday as Kaisha and Lucy were involved in a heated dispute at midnight. Their fight affected praise as they started their name-calling and insinuations. There was no peace in the house yesterday as they fought. Lucy threw the first jab by saying that Kaisha behaves like a baby and is also not resolute after Kaisha complained about her sleeping spot. Kaisha slapped as she Kaisha clapped as she asked Lucy to shut up and called her an old cargo. Lucy defended herself by saying praise is also in the same act. Man, the house is becoming very hot. It seems there's a fight in the house every 2 hours. Okay, it's getting interesting. I hope you're enjoying it. Please let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. If this is your first time of viewing my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notification when the story drops.